None of us know what lies inside the president's heart. It's possible that he fooled gullible progressives during the election into believing that he was a left liberal partisan when in fact he is much closer to a conservative corporate shill. An awful lot of progressives, including two I happen to know who sport Nobel Prizes on their shelves, feel this way. Feel which way? That he presented the fact that he was a left liberal participant. That means he fooled gullible progressives into believing he is a left liberal participant when in fact he is actually a conservative, right? So, awful lot of progressives feel this way, and their perspective cannot be completely discounted. That means there may be some truth in what he says. His view on the development of Beltway, meanwhile, posits just the opposite. That means this view that he is not so much a left liberal partisan as he is a conservative corporate shill is actually belied by the fact that he has taken a stand on the development of the Beltway, which seems to indicate that he is still a left liberal participant, not a okay. So, we understand that. So, let us look at A. The president's equivocal nature was clear when he caused some progressives to believe. We are not saying the president was being equivocal. When he caused some progressives to believe that he was pro-liberal, while in reality he was closer to conservatives. Instead, his take on the Beltway displays divergence from this. Now, if you are going to say he is equivocal, you are saying that he does not depict any particular preference at all. Whereas, it actually seems to say that people thought he was a conservative, but in fact, it shows that he is not. So, he is obviously presenting clear ideas. People aren't quite seeing. Now, I could look at A if I don't have a better answer though. B. The president's demeanor is equivocal. Demeanor, not his state, not his nature, his demeanor, the way he presents himself maybe. During the elections, he caused some progressives to believe he is a pro-liberal, while in reality he was closer to conservatives. But his take on the Beltway belies this view. This more or less sums up what we are looking at. So, let us keep B aside. C. The equivocal nature of the president during the elections, which showed that he made the progressives believe he was pro-liberal, while in reality he was closer to conservatives, belies his take on the Beltway. Now, we are not saying that he made the progressives believe. It led them to believe would mean they believed. He did not direct them to believe, and therefore C is a distortion. D. The president's demeanor is equivocal. During the elections, he made progressives believe. Again, the making them believe is actually wrong. Caused them to believe is very different from made them believe. Made them believe would mean it was an intended act on his part. Caused them to believe would mean things that he did cause people to believe. So, B is a better answer than anything else to question